Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. I've never seen Genius before. Is this a... I don't...
It's Genesis.
Oh, sorry. Genesis.
Yeah, I said the same shit.
Genius.
I said Genius thing.
Genesis.
Yeah, we built the lithium bank and all for it last night. We wired it on. We was up like 2 o'clock this morning.
Is this, what is this, 80, 100?
100, I think. Hold on.
You're good.
I think you said 120.
Hey, is that an 8 or is that a 100 or 120? 120.
120.
Well, that's what I took to ask. How many amp hours they had on that?
Did he say a 120?
How you doing?
159. No, that's great. I don't think so.
Can I see the inside? I'm gonna look inside. Hey, nice. Different nice. Wow. I like that. That looks good. Can I come in?
Yeah, come on.
Okay.
Hey, let me hold that, Jay.
That's pretty cool. You got speakers and tweeters all above your panel.
Oh, yeah.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, I run out of room.
Yeah. Is that a 4th or 6th order band? 4th?
Yeah.
4 Crossfire
C7s.
C7s. Okay.
Yeah, and I'm actually quite surprised. I like them.
You like them? Awesome. And I saw there was a, is it a Genesis or a Genius 20K?
Genesis.
Genesis.
Genius.
Genius 20K.
Yeah.
On 120 amp hour lithium. That looks nice. And your alternator.
It's still a whole voltage.
How's your alternator?
320 Ohio Gen.
Is it what is it wired to?
1
Okay.
Yeah, I used to have the VXF, 4 VXFs wired to a half ohm, but I changed it up a little bit.
Yes, sir. All right. It's still musical.
Finally something.
Are you more? Did you change something to make it happier than where you were? Or?
Oh yeah, I changed subs and amp.
Okay.
I was 2 3500s on 4 VXFs.
Yes, sir.
And it sounded good, but those I mean they're eating up that 12K.
Yes,
or
sir.
That
20K. Yes, sir. Very nice. I appreciate it.
Hey, no problem.
I remember you were Low Budget
Ballers.
Ballers as your group team.
Yep.
Awesome. Congrats, man.
Appreciate it.
Good job. And I heard you almost broke a 60 burp.
159.9.
Hey, you never know. Try something like moving seats, you'll break that 60.
Yeah, you're right.
Hey, good luck. Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Hey, can I see under the hood real quick for the alternator?
I gotta put my second alt on.
That'll help. What's your voltage dropping down to right now?
12.6.
Which isn't horrible, but it could be better.
Yeah. I need more lithium.
Yeah. Is it LifePo or Headway or?
Headway.
Headway, okay.
Yeah. I got 50 more sales. Will be here Friday, so.
Okay.
I'm
Oh wow.
Keep building on it.
Yes, sir.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, man.
Orlando, kill Kurt Cobain, nigga. I get hit like a coin flip.